Subscribe to Radhika Tutorial to learn everything related to sewing. And press the bell icon to get notified for my new videos. Today I am teaching you to make back neck design, so let's cut. So I am telling you to make it in a blouse with lining. Now pay attention here. This is our back part. Whenever you make this design, you have to take 2-inch extra material. Firstly, mark the length you want it to be. So as I prepare it for 14.5. It will be prepared in 14.5 inches, I have taken 2 inches extra. PL it by matching its edges. Firstly we will cut design in buckram, then proceed to neck. Keep the buckram double folded. Fix it properly. Now cut along to neck width. Keep one thing in mind while cutting for the neck portion: design made in buckram is not stretchable, so give extra material for that. If you are making neck portion of 2.5 inches, then take 2.75. And if you are making for 2.75 inches, then mark 3 inches. Increase 0.2 inches while marking for cutting. Just like I am cutting for 3 inches. Because material without buckram is stretchable. And buckram will fix the material. Measured width of 3 inches. Now measure length, whatever length you want. So I am marking at 12 inches. And we will keep 4 inches 2 point from here. Now measure from here. I've marked at 3-inch 2 point. Make a perpendicular line. Make a straight line. Now make a slightly curvy line. Don't make the curve deep. You can check it like this. Mark point at a 1-inch distance, so that your curve didn't go too deep. Make a curve like this. Now make a curve from this point to this point. Match it like this. We will make a line at here by maintaining a short distance. Keep the width less than 1. And we will join it. We will add a slight distance at the bottom. Later we will remove it by cutting. It will look something like this. And I will cut this point. Now we'll stick it on our material. We have to stick it on saree piece. Place it properly and we will iron it. Buckram will be stick on material, and if your buckram is not able to stick, then you can also stitch it. Stick buckram on wrong side of the saree piece. See, you have to spare distance of 2 points here. Here is slightly 1 so that machine can get through it. Just like this, add a small gap here. We will remove the extra material from both sides. Now stick this material too. Just like this, press it with iron. Fold the material like this and press it with the help of iron. Place cut at the tip and then fold it. Now we will remove extra material on the upper and the lower side. Find its center like this. And press it with iron. So it will be a line at the center. Now there's a line. I've already taught you making a blouse with lining. If you haven't seen it yet, Please check link in description. Now place it at the center. Match the corners. And place a cut the center. Now match edges of both pieces. After making cut, press it with iron. We got a mark here too. Now match both marks properly. Place material properly, either use pins or base stitches at the center of the line. Add base stitches like this. After adding base like this, now we will stitch at the inner edge of buckram and make its tip and then take it to the bottom. Then do same for another side. After stitching, place it like this. Now we'll spare 0.2 inches and remove the extra material. Keep minor piece of material at the corner and remove extra material like this. Remove it like this. Now place cuts here. Keep that in mind, stitches should not be cut while placing the cuts. I want to tell you something, I'm not keeping this strip. But if you want to keep that, you can make it by folding it to this side. I'm going to add a belt, so I'll cut this portion and I'll join it afterwards. And if don't want to cut this out, then you should place cuts here and fold it to this side. I'm not providing cuts here because I'll cut this portion, make cuts like this. Now turn it. See, the main point is its tip, other points are easy to flip. Press the tip like this. Pull it gently. So, we'll flip it like this. Now keep the front side upward. Now we will fix this firstly with base stitches, later, we'll remove these base stitches and add proper stitches. We will fix it here with based stitch. We will start adding base stitches from here. And add it up to here. On this line like this. After adding base stitches, we will cut this strip. Now measure here, 4 inches are here, so we will mark a point. Add 4 inches here. 4 inches at here. We will cut this portion out. If you do not want to add a belt separately, then you can keep it like this. Add a straight piping here. After adding the piping, it will be prepared. So I'm adding belt here and I'll add piping at the both sides. This buckram was only for support. Now I'll remove it. I've separated it. Now I'll keep it aside and we'll work on the belt. Remove the base stitches. Flip the material inside out first and add stitches at both sides by keeping half-inch distance. I've added stitches to both sides, now we'll turn it. Now open it like this from one side and press it to inside. And press it. Iron this, so it will take its shape. Now we are adding piping here. Keep straight piping and place the belt on it. Keep the main part of the piping outside and stitch them at here. And if you want to learn to make this type of piping, check this video. Match it and stitch it. Don't pull the piping while you are stitching it, just add stitches gently. Now my belt is ready. Now I'm adding piping in these pieces. So carefully learn how to add piping here. Place it from here. And stitch it. Make stitches on the fabric. Just like this. When you'll reach here, what you will do is, you have to do something like this. Fold it in this way accurately. Then place the fabric on it. We will twist the fabric like this and we'll complete it by placing the arrangement here. Do it like this. We are going to follow these steps during the stitching process with proper matching. Be careful while making the tip. Now move forward for stitching. Like this, I've added piping both the sides. Now we'll take this belt and place it here. Hide half-inch material and place it like this. Match and place properly. We will make stitches from this point to this point and copy them to this side too. We won't stitch in the middle section. Mark it like this, which will make your work easier. Hold it like this and stitch it. A half-inch at here. So it will look something like this. If you want, you can add a hook here or a show button or something decorative that you like. Join these 2 points and add decorative material. Here, you have to do according to your choice. So it's ready now. Back neck portion is ready. Now you have to join the front part and sleeves. You are ready with your blouse. I've already taught you about these things, and if you are a new person and you haven't seen that video, then you could find a link in the description. In the front section, you can make something like this, or you can make a princess blouse like this. You can fix it like this. And this back design could be used on different dresses like a gown, Indian dresses, and I've taught you already for a blouse. Make it and try it. If you have any doubts, please don't hesitate in asking. Tell me how much you like the video. Like my video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and be safe.